Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset vivo Y21 smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgotten their password. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Okay, now tap on power off. Okay, now it is successfully power off, and now press and hold volume up and power key together for a few seconds. And you can see it will send you in a vivo fast boot. Now volume key is to move up and down, and power button to confirm. Okay, now go to recovery mode and confirm. So you can see vivo recovery. Okay, now after it tap on clear data. Here you can use the touch feature. Okay, now go to clear all data, and you can see only phone system data will be cleared. Music, photos and other user data will not be deleted. Okay, now tap on OK. So you can see clearing data. Do not operate the device. So you can see all data cleared. Now tap on return, go back and restart your phone. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device. So guys, this is the method to hard reset vivo Y21 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.